Alright, hey everyone. I'm going to work through the solutions to the practice SAC, or the first one that I gave you anyway. So let's jump in. So the first one, if you remember, I have the book in front of me, but it asks the user to enter how old the textbook is and how much did you pay. And you calculate the current value of the textbook. You display the value of books so far and ask them if they would like to enter more. Okay. And if we go through the pseudocode, it says it should be using a function to do that. So let's jump in and do that. So we'll start off here. We're gonna say enter the value. Oh, so what was it? How old is the textbook? Is the question. I think. How old is the textbook? All right. And we'll get some solution back. So we'll say dim age as string. We're going to use the age as a variable, probably as integer equals c int. Alright, so we're going to read that in and store it as an integer. So that's how old is the textbook. Then following on from there, we're going to go to how much did you pay for the textbook. So I might just copy paste this line out of all easiness. Copy paste that line. It's probably good to add a comment in as well. Okay, so we got that. We're not going to use age though. We're going to use P price, can be purchase price, and instead of integer it will be double because purchase price can have decimal places, and this has to be C double. C double. Okay, so we got that. Probably a good habit for me to do my notation properly, seeing as this is a SAC situation. Okay, so I've got that. Cool. What was the next step? We had to find the value. So this also needs to be in a loop, but I'll do the loop later. So then we'll have another variable here called, maybe I'll define this one at the start. Of dim total. So I'm just thinking of the right word to call it. What did they call it in here? Just having a quick look at the document. So collection is what they called it. Okay. So we'll say dim collection price, and that will be a double as well. Okay. And we'll also have some sort of way to continue the loop. We think have dim another book, just dim another as boolean. Okay. So while bool another equals true, so I just realised I haven't really been talking, which is not great. Okay. So I've just created a loop here so that because it says in the document that it would like you to be able to do multiple textbooks. And then it's supposed to call upon a function to calculate it and add like a cumulative total. So how was the textbook is the first one. The second one is how much was the textbook? How much did the textbook cost? Something like that. Or how much is it worth? Same thing, doesn't matter. Alright, so how much did the textbook cost? Type that in, and then it will calculate the cost. Okay. Cool. Alright, we're happy with that. So let's we'll probably have to do a new value again. Let's say dim double. And I already have collection price, don't I? I think I already have collection price stored. Oh, but this should be a new value. Alright, I'll dim this one as well. Dim double new value. This is the new value of the book. As double is equal to, and this is where I'm going to call upon the formula that it mentions in the pseudocode. It's called calculate current value. Alright, and then to make that, I'm just going to call it out here. We'll go sub calculate current value. Alright, value. Okay, so the same, that's good. And in here we need TBR price. No. TBR purchase price and TBR age. TBR, that's int age. And then in here we'll take in, just going to call it purchase price and age. Okay. Expression does not produce a value. We'll get there. Okay. So I've done that. That's good for now. Or it should be probably function, not sub. Would be. Yeah, sorry, it should be function, not sub. Okay, so we import that in, and now we need to. So I'm just going to follow the algorithm I give in the Word document, which is we have a new thing called depreciation. So dim depreciation as double, and that should be DBL depreciation. Right, that's double, which equals purchase price multiplied by age multiplied by 0.2 is what I think it was. Purchase value 0.2 and age. Okay, cool. And then we had if TBR depreciation is greater than 0. If depreciation is greater than the purchase price, then we return the value of 0. Alright, so what that means is if so this is looking at how much value the book has lost, and if the value that the book has lost is higher than the original value or equal to, just higher, then we just return a value of 0, because it's not like you can owe money on a book. It can only depreciate so far. Let me say, so we got end if, and then otherwise we return purchase price minus the depreciation. Okay, so we find out how much value the book has lost. If it's greater than the price we bought it for, we just send back 0. Otherwise, we send back the difference between those two. Alright, and that gets stored in this double new value here. Okay, so we've got that. Display the cumulative value and ask if they want to enter another textbook. Okay, so we do that. We say console.writeLine, this book is worth double U value. So in theory, that should take the role of the 0. Yep. And then we do DBL collection price plus equals double new value. So we add that value onto the cost of our collection, and we do console.writeLine. The collection so far is worth then the collection price. Okay. So I'll quickly add some comments in there. And then it's just, would you like to go again? So I'll add in a value here. So this says we use the function to find how much value the book has lost. And we add value after depreciation. And we display cost of all books so far. Okay, so that does that. Yeah, then it's just a console.writeLine. WriteLine book to sell. Do another book to sell. And we'll say dim answer as string equals console.readLine. I'll say if answer not to lower, so that makes it lowercase. equals yes. So it makes it all lowercase just in case we put a capital in. Then, so if they say yes, they have another book. Or actually, we don't need to check that because it's already yes. So we'll say book to lower dot equals no. Then bool another. So remember, this triggers our loop. Goes to false. Okay. So we'll run that through very quickly and just make sure that it all works. I'm not sure if this is going to pick up the window. I want to see if I can capture the debug console one here too. There you go. Alright. So we got how old is the textbook? We'll say like, I don't know, 3 years. How much did the textbook cost? I'll just work off what was here, $110. The book now is worth $44. Do you have one I want to sell? Yes. How old is the textbook? Let's say 1 year. Cost $95. Book's worth $76. So the collection so far is worth $120. Alright. So you can see that that cumulative count is working through here. So let's say, yes, I have another textbook. It was $170. Oh, I did the wrong one. Oh, well, doesn't matter. Yeah. Oh, it doesn't matter. Anyway, you can see that it works. Until eventually I type no, and then that's it. Beautiful. So yeah, that's SAK 1. Hope you enjoyed.